So, you want to be a 3D artist? To start off you'll need a few things. A good enough PC to run the software, 3D modelling software, a master's degree in computer interfaces, and enough self-hate to willingly stare at a computer screen for hours on end to find out what you made as a pile of shit. So now you have the basics, it's time to start. Open your 3D modelling software of choice. Software interfaces can vary greatly, but they all essentially do the same job. There is no right or wrong choice, but if you choose anything other than Autodesk Maya, you're wrong. Now you have to figure out what to make. It helps to look out the window once in a while to get inspiration, but we all know your mum's basement doesn't have windows, so we'll model a table. You can use reference if you want, but we all know real artists don't use reference. To start modelling we need to choose a basic primitive to model from. If we're going to make a circular table, the obvious option is a cube. So you want to add your cube into the scene and then smooth it out so you get a circular looking cube. Increase the subdivision so it becomes more round. Now we want to scale on the y-axis so our table is more flat. Now start to model the table by using basic move, scale and extrude. The next step is UV mapping. It's just like cutting an animal open for taxidermy, but less of the blood. Once we've got the UVs laid out on a 2D sheet, we can start texturing. Now import your model into a texturing program. I'm using Substance Painter. Now I'm going to bake the mesh and use the low poly as the high poly bake. Now I can drag any smart material on and it should look okay, like this army material. Then we can use mask to add a separate material at the top. Let's change the colour to make it look more aesthetic. Beautiful. Now adjust the rust and add scratches to make it look awesome. Finally we can render it out and bam, it looks awesome. Who needs a degree and years of practice when you just watch a 2-minute, totally in-depth tutorial on YouTube? Thanks for watching, goodbye.